Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. I know that some of you have already seen this gorgeous gel on my hands earlier this week. I had someone else do the little design on here. Yeah, my husband hand painted the design. He picked out the colors for the top and the gems. So this is his little masterpiece, his first time ever painting nails, ever touching gels, ever picking up a little brush this big. He wouldn't let me film it. I tried to just turn the camera on and just let him see, but every time I kept moving in frame, he figured out something was going on. But what this is from another Modelones collection. This is Glitter Party. I'm not going to bore you with swatching today. I'm just going to do some nail art on my hand. I've already swatched some out. And this is Shiny Pearl, Purple Ring, Magic Blue, Pinkie Drink. I skipped one. This is Golden High Heel. And this is Glitter Night. I'm wearing Diamond Rain, which is right here. This is what one coat would look like on a white fake nail. And these are the nails that I use. Somebody was asking me about that. They're EC Basket nails by Nails Gaga. So a few people on Instagram were asking me what nails I use. These are, I think they call them Coffin. It doesn't say on the package. And the other ones that I use all the time, I've got some right here. They call Stiletto. I believe these are a pointed almond. I'm not an expert on this stuff. But anyways, this is the collection. I have only 2 coats on here. I'll try to insert a picture of what it looked like before my husband played with it. It's been on my hands for a week at least. You can see the growth coming out. Before he played with them, I took the picture. There was not a scratch, a ding, nothing. I mean, this is excellent. And I do have a peel-off base on here. And this is Glitter Night with Golden High Heel. And this is, yeah, I got to play in and I forgot to film. This is Shiny Pearl or Purple Ring with Shiny Pearl with an ombre brush. And this is the same way. Glitter Night halved with Golden High Heel. Just an ombre. It's a lot like my friend Girly Nail 66 did for her New Year's nails. And if I would have had this, that's what my nails would have been. But I wanted to show you real quick, compared to their first collections. They had 2 collections out, Modelones did, when they first came out with these gorgeous bottles and their own website instead of just selling on Amazon. This is Dreamy Silver. This is Diamond Rain. There's a lot of difference between it. It's really hard to see here, but this has more of a base. This is only 1 coat each. This one, you can still see through it after 1 coat, which is great for some uses. 2 coats, it looks just like this. I can see a little light through it if I were like to microscopically inspect it, but I like my glitters like that. I like variety into them all. All the other ones, really, let me get these back out again. These in person are so glittery, but they're almost metallic in nature. It's real fine glitters. This goes up a little bit, so does this one. This one's more of a rougher glitter, but it's still perfectly smooth. All of these are after you top coat them. And this one has got the chunky holo in there. Look at the holo. But yet it's still perfectly smooth once you top coat it. This one will be a little bit sheer when you first put it on, but 2 coats, I just put 2 coats on. It's opaque. I mean, it's done, it's there. There's nothing. I've tested these out many times. I just wanted to check out one of their new glitters, and now I just want to play with it. Someone's been asking me to do a blue and silver design, and well, why not? So I haven't even figured out what I'm going to do yet, which silver I'm going to use. But look at that blue. This is magic blue. And it's just screaming magic to me. mean, look at this color. Remember to roll or stir those gels up. And I'm finding with these that, what was I gonna say? I forgot. You might want to just dab a little bit on, but there's adequate coverage. Really, I would go with one coat myself. Everybody's different. I like to get that off of there. I'm not sure what I'm doing at this point. I'm just, oh, these colors. If there was a polish set out there named after me, this would be it. Be Nails of Interest's Glitter Party. I mean, my gosh, it's glitter, right? Really, this is how I paint my nails. This is right here is how I do it. Probably should just turn my camera around. I've had a few people suggest that I can just flip my screen over if you would like. But that would, I have to change all this around, so I've been debating doing that for months now. Let's go ahead and play with Diamond Rain since it's new. And if it's going to flood your cuticles, go ahead and flash cure that. Go ahead. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm going to get out a palette. This is how my mind works. I lost my little palette. There's one. You can flash cure if you know that's what you want to keep. Flash cure it by all means. There's nothing wrong with flash curing. Like I said, this is a little bit more of a see-through silver than the original Dreamy Silver is. I might put a little bit of both on just to show you. I have to get a little look from my perspective as well. Maybe I should turn that camera over. Then I have to get with the program on how I'm going to say goodbye to y'all. Because saying you be you and I'll be me doesn't work if I'm going you be you, I'll be me. I don't know how to do that. Let's get out a little Dreamy Silver. This has been my go-to silver since I won this collection. I had won the original Travelers collection. They first came out with Blue Blood and Travelers, and that was a hard decision to make. Which one you want? They're both gorgeous sets. So there's quite a bit of a difference between the two. This one's showing up a little bit more. Long to flash cure it. Let's see, I want to use Diamond Rain so bad. It's so pretty. Let's do an ombre on one nail. Since I've got the new ombre brush for Christmas. I mean, I could have probably made like 4 videos out of this collection alone. See how it's see-through, but that's what I like in a lot of glitters. So let's see. My first ombre was totally different colors other than what you've seen on my hands. I just did. I like it, I like it, I like it. You can just keep playing. I never had an ombre brush. These things are amazing. It almost looks like a French. I don't know what I want to do. They're so pretty. I love this. Let's do another one of that. Let's see how I did that again. Let's flash cure real quick. Okay, got that locked into place. I'm really digging that. Let's try not to do it quite like a French manicure. And your glitters, remember, you could just pat them on. Just like with regular polish, these are gels. You can pat them on. Just don't get ungodly thick. I missed a spot. You see that? I missed the spot, missed the spot. Oh, have I ever showed you these brushes? Look at that. No little pieces sticking off, nothing. They're rounded. A lot of us filming always forgets the back side of their nail. I was just playing with some glitter. Filming, we forget the back side of our nail. I'll get done filming and say, oh, what did I do? Forgot the front side of my nail. Now, forgot what I was doing now. Okay, playing around. Okay, my ombre brush out. Let's tap it this way instead and see what effect we get. Look at that. The gels just melt right together. That's just so cool. Just tickling it a little bit. That's so cool, I like that. Okay, let me get these a good cure before I top coat. So cute! I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. These I just wipe off with alcohol. This is so cool. Oh, I want to do something else. I didn't get quite enough blue here. I really didn't. That was only one coat, right? For me, I'm just going to do it this way. I'm so scared. I've never ombre'd that easy before. I'm scared I'm gonna go over. Let's go over what I just did. I should have put 2 coats of blue down first. My bad. Let's just try to ombre it out without putting any more silver on. It's easier if you have the silver gel in there. I'm just finding out it's my first time using an ombre brush ever. You've got to figure out what's dry and what's wet. That's cool. I love it. Please, before you cure, get it off of your cuticles. Okay, let's get out my palette again. Put that line right back in. Tempted to put some gems on here. Okay, I'm getting out their top coat. On the nails I want gems, I'm going to do one at a time and flash cure it. My little babies are fussing with me. All I did was put top coat down. And the top coat's so gorgeous. Get a little bling, will stay. You can do it one nail at a time. I just don't think. Quite frankly, I don't think. This thing is wobbling all over the place. I can say that I don't really recommend the petite macaroon. I had a king of nail. It's giving me nothing but headaches. I like that it's small, but come on. I like the dotting tool on the other end. Just come on with the thing. It picks the gems up most cases. I love that there's a dotting tool on the other end. It meant for like no reason whatsoever. I don't know. I don't remember doing anything rough with it. So, but this is just like coming out. You're supposed to be able to bend it to your, look, I got glitter all over. I was playing with glitter from Christmas. You're supposed to be able to just touch it with your hand and remold it to a point. I can't do it. And I'm very hot-natured. Maybe I'll try the microwave, not the microwave. Put some hot water on my hands, but it keeps coming out of the base. Ugh. Don't know why. Somebody know why? Please tell me why. Like, am I doing something wrong with it? That's so cute. I don't want to do too much bling. I don't want to use all my blings up. You know, I like the end of this. I wish they all had a solid end. A lot of them have hollow ends. I just don't like that. Well, I'll cure this for 30 seconds. All these gels cure for 30 seconds. I love that. Nice and convenient. Let me cure this and see you here next time. I'll put some pictures of these colors at the end of the video. Maybe I've already inserted them. I don't know. Who knows what I'm doing? Well, until next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.